This is the nozzle flow choked interactive calculator, which determines critical flow conditions through converging nozzles. The calculator requires 5 input parameters. First, enter the upstream stagnation pressure in your chosen units. Next, input the upstream stagnation temperature. Third is the throat area of your nozzle. Fourth, select the gas type from the drop-down menu, which includes air, nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, hydrogen, helium, methane, and argon. For this example, I'm using air. Finally, choose your unit system from the drop-down, either SI or Imperial. I'll use SI units. For our worked example, I'm entering an upstream stagnation pressure of 500 kilopascals, an upstream stagnation temperature of 300 Kelvin, and a throat area of 0.001 square meters. With air selected as the gas type and SI as the unit system, the calculator computes the choked flow conditions. The results show the mass flow rate through the nozzle, the velocity at the throat, which equals the speed of sound, the static pressure at the throat, the static temperature at the throat, and the density of the gas at these choked conditions. These values are essential for designing pressure relief systems and flow control devices. Find the link in the description below.